On this video we're gonna check the SCUF customizable controllers and how you can build one. Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liagoras Moments, and today we'll have a look at the SCUF gaming website and see how we can build our own custom controller for PlayStation, Xbox and PC. SCUF Gaming founded in 2011 and they create high-performance gaming controllers, accessories and customized controllers. Mainly they build controllers for PlayStation 4, Xbox that works on PC as well, headsets and different gear and accessories for the controllers. They give you the option to customize your controller and build it according to your needs and your taste. On PlayStation 4 controller you can choose between two models, the Impact and the Pro. The Pro looks like the normal PS4 controller. On Xbox controller you have only one option and it's like the Xbox One controller. Additionally they have a headset that you can customize as well. It's called H1 and you can change the color from black or white, the speaker tag color, the ring color, the ear cushions, and you can change the microphone to omnidirectional with €12 extra, and the color of the mic and the color of the cable. Alright, let's go back to the controllers and let's build one from the PlayStation 1. I will select the Pro version. You can change the color of the shell, there is many options to select and this will add €12 to the cost. Or you can go to the designs here and I have to admit that the designs are very nice and looking very good. And there is also a big options to select. The extra cost for those ones is €20 and we have also the signature designs with €15. I know it's hard to select one, they're all very nice, but let's select one, so I will choose this one. Nice, alright, and let's click to the next. Here you can add the EMR with €15 extra. This stands for electromagnetic remapping and allows you to reprogram the back paddles to most face buttons. If you don't select that, you can program the left, right, the X, the square, the triangle and the O. Okay, so let's just put them then. Next is the triggers. I will let them default and you can also change the colors here. Next, bumpers, you can change the colors here as well. Next, the thumbsticks, and you can choose the left and the right separately. You can select if you want it concave or domed. You can choose the high, short or long, and of course the color. The same for the right thumbstick, and after you can select the color of the ring that will add €2 to the price. After you can change the D-pad to control disc. You can change the colors to black or white with €5 extra. I haven't tried that, so I will go just with the normal one. After you can select the colors of the button, but when you change colors, they're disappearing the O, the X, the triangle and the square. I don't know why. Next you can add a grip with €17. There is a military and the high performance that you can change color as well. I will add the high performance, it looks nice. And then you can also remove the vibration for some reason and they will also charge you €4 for that. I don't know why. Next there are two types of paddles, the standard and the reactive. Both black or grey, so you choose one. I'm gonna select the standard. And last, €30 extra if you want a case with the cables and some accessories. I'll click no because already the price is gonna be too much. Alright, and the final price of what I build is here, over €200. Yep, not cheap, definitely. And very similar is the build of Xbox controller with few differences. Let's go build one. Again, we can select the color or design, so I'll choose this cool one, alright? Next you can change the buttons, the color of the buttons. Next the thumbsticks. And on Xbox here there is option of medium and regular. On the PlayStation it was just short or long, so here we have the regular, but the regular will not have colors, so I will go with the medium so I can select the colors. After there is a ring selection and you can select left and right ring separately. The color of the D-pad, the color of the bumpers. You can change the color of the centerpiece and of course all of that adding to your cost couple euros here. The trigger colors, you can change the back of the controller and that costs you €20. That's a lot to charge. You select if you want the vibration or not. You can select the paddle colors And at the end I built an amazing controller that actually looks very nice, but the price is again the one that you see right here. Yep, if you want a personalized controller, you have to pay for it. What you thought? Alright guys, and that was the SCUF Gaming, nice and cool service to build your own personalized controller, but a bit pricey. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, let's make moments we can never forget.